Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe it came. I finally graduated Skyrim Guard school, and I even got a B in Skyrim accent. I don't know why that's a course, but you know, no one else in Skyrim talks this way. But I passed, and that's all that matters. I applied to every single hold. I applied to Whiterun, I applied to Windhelm, I even applied to Winterhold, and no one applies to Winterhold. But I just wanted to keep my options open, and I got my acceptance shields. It's amazing. Craft Alchemist Cosplay has made them, and I am so excited. Oh. You got Whiterun. Whiterun accepted me. And Windhelm. And Falkreath. It will be warm. Thank Talos. I am so excited. There's more in here, but I'm going to look at that later. I am so excited. I need to go and I need to start my first shift. I need to decide. I'm so excited. No lollygagging.